Now, a lot of headlines recently: wind power prices now lower than the cost of natural gas. Solar and wind are the cheapest new sources of energy. Renewables increasingly beat even coal. It is true that the generating rates for solar and wind have come down. Solar, since 2013, down about 50%. Wind down significantly, natural gas less of a decline. But this is only part of the story on cost. Another one of my favorite charts here. What I've done is plotted the nations of Europe by wind and solar capacity, watts per person on the vertical axis, and then residential electricity price on the horizontal axis. Now, if wind and solar were cheaper, we should see the nations that use the most wind and solar should have the lowest electricity costs, right? But that isn't the case. We see almost a general curve going up this way. The folks that use the most wind and solar have the highest prices. Ireland, twice the price of the US, and Germany and Denmark, way up here, 3 times the price of the United States. We see a similar metric in the US, displayed a little different way. This is the 12-year % price increase in electricity rates, and I've got here the top 12 wind states. The national average has been very good. This blue line, national electricity has increased 8.7% over 12 years. That's very low. That's lower than inflation. But in 9 of the 12 leading wind states, electricity rates are up between 20 and 40%. How can that be? Wind is cheaper, right? And by the way, a couple of these guys had the February debacle this last year. Oklahoma is going to be in the red here, and Texas is going to be up here as well, maybe not all the way. Part of the reason is intermittency, of course, but they also have to build transmission out to remote areas, which is expensive.